Hello children, welcome to the class. Today I am going to teach you phrases and clauses. Let's see first what is phrase. Phrase is a group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense. This is the basic difference between phrase and sentence. Sentence makes complete sense but phrase makes some sense only, not complete sense. Let's see some example. For example, first is Ravi has a golden watch. This is a sentence without phrase. It is an adjective. Ravi has a watch made of gold. Here I have written made of gold in place of golden. It is a group of words which is phrase. Okay children, let's see second example. He answered rudely. Rudely is an adverb without phrase. When we will write a group of words in place of rudely, like in a rude manner, which I have written in second sentence, he answered in a rude manner. In a rude manner is a phrase. Let's see third example. The boy wants something. Something is a noun without phrase. When we will write in place of something a group of words, it becomes phrase. The boy wants to go home. It means to go home is a phrase. So you can say children that if the phrase will work like an adjective, it is called an adjective phrase. If it will work like an adverb, it is called an adverb phrase. And if it works like a noun, it is called a noun phrase. There are three kinds of phrases you can see here. Now we will see some examples from your practice book. The exercises. First of all, look at these examples which are given in your book. The house is square like this. The house stands on the top of a hill. The room was marked with a cross. Your nominal authority doesn't annoy me in the least. In all these sentences, group of words given in black letters are phrases. Okay children, you can see here a definition is given. A group of words which make some sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Let's do the worksheet 1. Fill in the blanks with suitable phrases given in the aid box. Under the cover of darkness, the beauty of the rising sun in the fading light, by and large, as a rule, after all. First is Chachi was dash a fairly tolerant person. Chachi was, after all, a fairly tolerant person. Such cases dash are not dealt by this office. Such cases, as a rule, are not dealt by this office. The painting was stolen by someone under the cover of darkness. The ball couldn't be traced in a fading light. The beauty of rising sun spread across the sky in the east. The audience was, by and large, pleased with his performance. You have to do this in your copy also. Worksheet 2. Look at the two pictures of the same room. Here you can see there are two pictures. One before burglary and second after burglary. What you have to do here? Write down where the things missing in picture B were actually kept in picture A. And for your help, some words are given. First one is done for you also. There was a television set on the trolley. You can see that television set is missing from the trolley. Second one, there were some paintings. There were some paintings. Look at this picture. Where were the paintings? You can see on the wall there were some paintings on the wall. The handbag. Where was the handbag? On the floor. The handbag was on the floor. FLOOR. Next one, guitar. The guitar was near the television. Like these examples, you have to write rest of the sentences. Okay children, hope you like this video. Thank you.